Hi, I am Dr. Vasim Shaikh. In today's video, we will see how to promote your research work or how to promote your research article so that you get maximum popularity and maximum benefit out of your research work. Let me give you a background. More than 1 million articles are published online every year, and that number is rising significantly. So it becomes very important to make sure that your article stands out. Promoting your work does not mean that only after publication you should try to promote your work. No, it should be on your mind as soon as you are doing some research work, you are starting your work, you are writing your manuscript. So it becomes very important you think during that time only how you will promote your article, who will be your collaborator, how you will put up your article online, so on and so forth. So it becomes very important to think about your promotion and think about the promotion of the article as soon as you start writing up the paper or even while you are doing the research work. You can also track your article after it is published, and from that particular thing you can also promote your article. How to track the progress of your article? You can go to Google Scholar. You can put up your article against the Google Scholar profile which is there. There you can easily see how many citations your papers have received and so on. You can track the progress of the article. If any of your article is doing very well, you can promote that article. You can see how well your article is doing after you have been promoting your article. That can be easily done or seen in Google Scholar based on how many citations your article has received. So that will give you a drive and improved result when you are doing the promotion of your article. Share your paper. Sharing your paper and findings can help you make a greater impact in your community, leading to better collaboration, new ideas, and potential innovations. If you share your paper, millions of researchers will have access to your publication online, and if they have access to the publication online, they will cite your article more, and this will give you more popularity and help promote your research work. Be discovered online. It is very important that people discover your article online. They find links to your publication online. There are few easy tools which will help you increase your online visibility. Let us see what are these tools. If you have a personal page at your institute, include links to the final version of your article on that page. You should also ensure that your CV is available online with links to your publication. You can also do this on popular networking site like LinkedIn or on your personal website or on your personal blog. Every day, scholarly articles receive 12,000 new mentions across social media, news and blogs. That is one mention every 7 seconds. So you can imagine how powerful social media is, and if you promote your article on social media, it becomes very easy for you to be discoverable online and promote your article. And you don't have to be on all social media websites or social media platforms. You can be on any 2 or 3. That is enough. That will suit your purpose. The most widely used social media is of course Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and LinkedIn. Build up a group of followers and share your link to these followers on these social media platforms. You can enhance your post with visuals, videos to attract more attention. Adopt these techniques to promote your article, gain more popularity and attract more collaborators. Thanks for watching. All the best.